All that pressure from the turbo kept blowing mine.
Yeah, I think it's freaking fittings on the turbos go bad. The O-rings in them.
Yep.
Make it leak. One things we pulled off, we pulled a couple of them off and they didn't have no O-rings in them. O-rings done rotted out on them. This is a 2013 F-150. My brother don't like Fords. And that Ford truck don't like my brother. I'm serious, he broke the dang solenoid on my starter. He broke it, the screw bolt on it. He just cracked all the pieces on him, so we had to go buy a new starter. You can't just buy just a solenoid. Anyway. We go pull the dipstick out of to check the oil, and it broke on him. He said, man, you got to be kidding me. I said, yeah, I know that's right. Truck don't like you, you don't like it. There's 10. Look, right here. Come here. It's everywhere. You need a flashlight besides you and your phone?
I got it. I'm good. Now let's unplug this puppy. To the refit.
You said you're going in the yellow running. You want a little napkin? A wet one? You got yellow all over you? Ain't any good when you got a messy sandwich. Well, hamburgers are good when they're messy.
This just the most. I need to take.
Alright, do what you need to do. You got nothing on your face. That feels like it.
Turn the light out. Let's move this to the side. we go.
You put this on your website.
Yep.
You,
All my work I do.
You want a better light?
Right above me? No, I'm good, man. Let's get it done. The rebuild. We got a blade.
Razor blade?
Yeah, I need something to cut tape with. I got wire cutters, but I can like an edge blade. Let me just what you got?
A pair of scissors work? I can't find my razor blade knife.
I guess so. We try that too. Oh, yeah.
I don't know, my razor blade knife must be in my
Now
truck.
this will work.
I had a DeWalt razor blade knife with somebody broke in my truck and stole it. They didn't bring no windows, they just opened the door because I had it unlocked.
Mm-hmm.
And took my DeWalt razor blade knife, my Rowdy stick.
Was it in your yard?
Huh?
In your yard?
Yeah.
That's bold, ain't it?
Yeah, they parked up on the street and went down the driveway. They even took a shotgun across the street out of the guy's truck across the street.
Damn, that's a nerve.
They even took a pistol out of the guy's truck up the road from it. Went up there on the corner of that house on the corner, took a woman's purse. I don't know why she left the purse in the car, but
You never caught him?
nah, they ain't caught him. I don't guess. But they do. I got a big black flashlight, one of the big ones.
Mm-hmm.
They took it, but they threw it out on the Country Kitchen Road. They threw it out. They threw the shotgun out. They threw her license and stuff out.
Now I turn it this way.
You feel better, dear?
Yeah. Thank you. Feel like I need another shower.
Okay, so I just need to pick up right there. She comes just like that. Now I get the new one. Just like you found.
So for that thing right there called $140.
Yep. It's got sensors all over it.
Did you go to school for this or
Yep. I've been in the business 43 years.
43 years?
Yeah, I'm retired. Okay, so it's gonna go that way. So it needs to sit in there. Let's start from this way.
Yeah, I was,
Yeah,
I was a
tech
landscaper for 35 years.
support been having problems with this refrigerator and this piece right here.
Yeah.
But they got problems with just about everything they make now.
The Frigidaire does, don't it?
Mm-hmm. That's okay. This that way.
come with me? Come on.
Tape. Go this way.
Come on, move. Come on, you didn't want to go nowhere. You don't need your help.
Right next to me. Bodyguard.
Yeah. Hey, once you get to know somebody or something like that, you friend with them all the time. Guess you don't need me standing here watching you, do you?
No, you okay?
Don't bother you? I always hated when somebody was standing over me when I was working.
There used to be a time in my life, especially when they got a lot going on.
Yeah.
And they hovering.
They want to talk to you like I am. You're trying to concentrate on what you're doing.
Making sure I put it in the right place. One little glitch, you miss what you forgot, what you're doing.
Yeah.
And be like, what? But I got it in already. I just securing it. But I'm trying to put it in the way I pull it out. Oh, that's right. Now this piece of tape goes over the top of him. Now, I'm down to, this is the part that goes into the freezer side. If I can remember, I was manipulating like that, which means I should take this wire all the way down. That way. That's going to be that. Tape it that way. Take this.
Good? Good.
Right there. do that. That plug's in there, that plug's in there. Where's the other one that you just had? That plug's in, I'm missing something. Unplugged it.
No, it didn't hurt until I got up and off the couch.
It isn't. Okay, so where is the one I plugged? Tucker. This goes back down. Oh, man. There it goes. Alright, let's put this bad boy back.
You gotta go. Let's go. I think you had to go while ago, dog. You still in.
Pick this back up. Back to the refrigerator. Alright, let's see. Turn the light back on. I think it goes in there. Yep, it goes right in there. Just connect the wires. And this guy goes in the side. That's true. Right there. Right in. And right in. Pick all this up. Okay, so you're not flush. Come back. Put it back down. That's not flush. There we go. That's flush. Back in. Put this here. Take that slack there. As long as I get her in there, plug it in. Gosh.
Tucker.
The long screw should be still in there. Back out. Let's see the screw. Missing a screw. A long one. long mountain screw. It had to fall out on the floor somewhere. It's about that long. I didn't even hear it fall. I don't think it's. Oops. You got screws? I need a 1/4 inch, but it needs to be a long one.
I heard a couple things fall, but
I didn't even hear it fall. That's what's so funny about it. I'm trying to tighten it up and there's no screw. It looks like this, but longer. All of these are the same size.
well, if it fell, it should be right around here somewhere on the floor, shouldn't it?
It's so quiet, I would have heard it.
I got some screw something like that out there in the shop. I'll go get them as you check them out.
All right. The more we find, the better. It's somewhere looking at us. This one might just work. Try this one right here. Let's see if this one will fit.
I'm gonna set this up in here.
See if this screw will fit.
See how that'll work pretty good on it.
This screw fits with your business. Yeah, this will work.
That'll work?
Yeah.
You need me to go get in?
Let me see what you got anyway. Might as well. This has got to go down in there. Did it come out? It's too short still. Alright, so all we need is a long screw. Work this way back up. that. We fell out somewhere. Got something? Possibilities?
Maybe.
That one's too short. It wouldn't come through. You see, I don't want to let this go. Them look like maybe too short. It's long. Can you hand me a screw over there?
No, what
Just
size?
one. Just one. And you see the hand screwdriver with the 1/4-inch socket attached to it?
Yeah, this one. Oh,
Yeah,
that one or
too.
this?
That one too. And the rest of the
Where?
socket, yeah. Alright, let's put it together a little bit for me.
Nice tub.
Let me see what you got.
No lighting here sucks. A little long in the nose.
See, this is the one I got. Let me try this one. That's the one I tried to use. It's too short. This is a bit. We can find. You got any more longer than this? No. If not, it's okay. We're gonna work this out.
Might have.
That's all I need is one screw.
Yeah.
I got the rest of them. Now, that one got away from me somehow. Let me see the flashlight.
Somewhere it got away from you.
Yeah, I didn't even hear it. Like it hit the carpet or something. Too quiet.
Yeah, ain't up underneath it.
Let me get it mounted, then we worried about one screw. One screw.
I don't want no sugar, Tuck. Ooh, I don't want no sugar. I know you want to give them some sugar. They don't want no sugar. Well, if it fell and hit the carpet, it could have gone far.
That's what I'm thinking. It's not far. Unless it fell in here and got to pull all the shelves out. In the kitchen somewhere.
I'll sit down here on this side.
I got it in there now. I just need this one screw. Get the back of that thing.
What you want? Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. I see it. Yeah.
Yep, all I need is one screw long enough. Do it. It's in there. I'm gonna pull out these shelves and see if it fell. Yep, I found it. I found it. I found it. I found it. Randy. Hey, Randy.
He might have went outside.
I found it. Way in the back by the cabbage. Way in the back by the cabbage. This is Doug. Can I help you? Hang on a minute. Say that again. What's a dondra? What's a dondra?
Let me just tell you what it is. Because I don't know what it is.
Downdraft?
Hold on. Downdraft. It's a range.
You talking about the downdraft above the range? That's considered like a carpenter. Yeah, that's for a carpenter. That's yeah, that's more like for a carpenter because they gotta do some wood cutting. That's how they put the downdraft in the cabinet. It's not related to the actual stove. It's a draft to get the smoke out in the cabinet. But I wouldn't have any experience on that.
Yeah, I mean the blowers. I'm bringing the blowers out.
Right, I wouldn't have any experience on that. I know exactly what you're talking about now. Yeah. Yes, sir. I found it.
Alright,
It was behind the cabbage.
I got it.
It was behind it. Look, this see how long it is?
Oh yeah, I ain't had nothing that long.
It's behind the cabbage.
You're hiding.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just go in.
Let's get this puppy in there.
So, what are you doing?
Now lift up.
What are you doing?
You can go ahead and give it power if you like. I'm done.
Alright.
You can give it power. He's done. Hello.
Hello, Douglas. This is Amy from the Appliance Repair Professional.
Hi.
How are you today?
How can I help you?
I'm calling because I would like to know if you travel to Georgia. The zip code is 31088.
Stand by. 310. You said 31088?
That's right.
Stand by.
It's for a refrigerator.
31088?
That's right, and I know it's really far from you, but I just wanted to confirm.
Warner Robins, Georgia.
Yes.
Stand by.
Warner Robins.
Warner Robins is south of Macon.
Yep.
That'll be out my reach.
Sorry?
That'll be out my reach, man.
Oh, okay, not a problem. Thank you.
Thank you for
taking
calling.
my call.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a little ride from here.
Sometimes they want me to go to the moon. And I believe if I say yeah, that's it, man. Okay. Just adjusting. So what we did was put in the thermostat, which controls how much of that air.
Comes through.
Yeah, this side feels this side in here,
Yeah.
and then it balances it with this, and it moves the door.
Okay, it's in there.
Yeah.
I thought you rebuilt a door. I thought you were gonna rebuild
No.
a door.
It's a motorized door, but this controls the door, and this is the sensors.
Okay.
But they rather you than buy the whole thing.
Yeah.
Just put this in as a
Just
kit.
put that.
Yeah. So we're gonna let the sit close the door for me.
All right. I know this one